Alright, so I'm back working on the Odyssey, and I think the last thing that happened was I lost my fuel pump. Well, I'm on foot now. So what I've been doing is taking apart the 3 existing fuel pumps I had, trying to clean them up a bit, lifting in some de-rusterifications overnight. Our gaskets actually look okay. We can definitely reuse these. Just gotta clean them up. So I got 3 of them. Gonna Frankenstein and make one good one, hopefully. And that's all there is to it. Got the 3 connections. That's going to be suction and one bit if I blow and suck. I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear the diaphragm like kind of clicking back and forth. It's actually flexing. So this one actually is working. But this is another one I just rebuilt. That one's a little louder. So I think it's sealing pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on my Odyssey. Alright, well guys, I was about to start the engine because I put the new fuel pump in, but I forgot to hook up the ground, and the engine's still cranked, but then a big puff of smoke came out of the pull start box where the coil is, and I fried the coil because I did not hook up the ground. Yeah, so I pulled the whole engine out, had to pull a lot of stuff. Oh man, I did not film it because this has ruined my day. But anyways, here's my current engine. And yeah, that coil got pretty hot. You could see it melted down. And then this little thing, I don't know what it is, maybe a transformer or something. But yeah, there's the spare engine one. And you can see the spare looks much better than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those and then hopefully get the engine back in, hook up the fuel pump, and then make it run without forgetting the ground. So. This is my mess that I've been dealing with today, so I'll try and finish that soon. Well, the Odyssey's doing great. I made it up on this hill out in the middle of nowhere. Been climbing out of the valley below. It's doing great. It's a little smoky just because that exhaust wrap. But yeah, we've been trucking up this hill. I'm just giving it a break to cool off in case it's getting too hot. But I have a fix for that I'm going to show soon. Another video. Brought a little toolkit so we don't break down again. I'm really satisfied with this thing. It's doing great. Tires are holding up super well. Everything's working. It's doing good. Yeah, get back to riding. Well, I just got back from a pretty long ride. Let's see how long it was actually. I tracked it. So we got distance 11.5 miles pretty much. Max speed 42 miles per hour. Average 15 miles per hour. So that's pretty fast. 42 miles per hour. Didn't feel like I went 11.5 miles. That's pretty far. The Odyssey did really well. These things have a problem with overheating. I didn't overheat this because it's a nice, 65-degree day, but I can feel the engine heat in the back of the seat through that. I mean, there's a heat shield, but at the end of my ride, I could really feel the heat. So, gonna have to put a fan or something to address that. I don't know why, but when I was on the mountainside, it was dripping fuel out of the carburetor, like drain thingies. And you can kind of see it's wet down there. I don't know why it does that. The brake is like all or nothing. So when I was trying to stop, it would just freeze, which was nice because I could stop. This exhaust is incredibly hot right now. You can see it's turned rainbow inside, but it's good because it's all cleared up. That was all clogged before. Now it's all cleared out. Did want to take a look at the fuel to see how much we burned. I left with an absolutely full tank. So, I'd guess it's maybe a half gallon. So I was up just below this little spout, like return line thing. So half gallon got me like 11.5 miles. Suspension was rough because there's no suspension really in the rear. This mirror is like useless. It's so rickety that if I ever need to use it, I'd have to reach up and position it. Man, this thing actually tore it up. It did really well. And I was able to climb some really steep hills. I was surprised by that. But Desert Trials Day 2 is a success. Uh-oh, I think he got stuck on the hill. I just did a donut and failed. I rolled, or I didn't roll, but I flipped on my side. It wasn't bad though, got the harness, so I found this opening, this clearing, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a donut, and then I freaking fell on my side. Looks like he's backing down the hill slow. I mean, it's pretty quick. It looks like he hit the light on.
Wondering if that sand dune is actually It's either there.
It's doing really good in the sand. Well, I mean, it can't climb stuff like Ryan. Look at him go up there. His back tire's like bald, but this is a cool little dune hidden away. Okay, I'm gonna hit it.
Okay.
If I can. Yeah.
That was wild.
Oh. We're good, we're good.
You alright?
I'm good. It's that harness saved my life. Your bike's peeing as well.
It's alright. I turned the fuel off.
Okay.
It's only what's in the bowl.
Woo!
Oh, I wish that I had that on camera.
I got it.
Thought, like, you
Dude,
got it?
I got it.
Oh,
I got it.
You like hit at the top, and I swear, not like one tire was only on the ground at a time, all the way until you hit the bottom and like dunk.
Yeah, it'll be a good video. I was like, this is smooth, but if you hit anything in this thing that's not smooth, you just start bouncing you lose
really
control.
Did just start bouncing like corner to corner until all the way to the bottom.
I'm so grateful I got a helmet and a harness. Like, holy crap. Because my first test ride, I didn't have a harness on.
Yeah.
And I almost got bucked out.
That was awesome.
Dude, it buried the roll cage.
Yeah.
The roll cage was like underground.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
That was awesome.
But I just gotta watch out for smooth and bumpy.
The sand is really tricky. Like, look at the mark where you came down. Like, there's no tracks. Like, there's a tiny bump of a tire there, a scuff there, and then the bottom. Like, you pretty much didn't touch the ground most of the way down. Yeah.
I'm not like, nothing's broken, I'm good, but...
Oh, that was awesome. That was the best crash I've ever seen in an Odyssey. It was awesome. It just kept going. Like, he's done. No, he's good. No, he's done. No, he's good.
Woo! Well, that roll was fun, so we're gonna head back to the car actually, because this tire here is out of business, but it's an easy fix. I think it's the bead seal on the split rim. I think I can still drive on it, so we're gonna take it slow and give it a try, but who knows? You know what to do. Get that shiz done. Okay, I'll see ya.